guys, it's King SF and welcome back to another video. So today we'll be unboxing and reviewing the Razer Firefly Cloth RGB mousepad. Yes, you heard me, an RGB mousepad. But hey, it's 2018, there's RGB on everything. Let's get started, shall we? Just so you know, this is my old mousepad, so I'm gonna just get rid of it. So the box looks like this on the front. It looks like this on the back. And these sides just have the word Razer on it. And this top has nothing. And then over here we have tape. But yet again, I've cut that open. So now I'm gonna open it up. Get this out of the way. I'm not sure if you can see too well or not, but here we have it. The Razer Firefly Cloth. So taking it out of the box, we have the mousepad itself, a braided cable with a gold-plated USB, and we have a little product info handbook. Hold on. Yep. And some good old Razer stickers. Now let me just plug it into the computer. And look at it go. It's beautiful. As you can see clearly in the top right corner, there's a Razer logo. But if you look to the side, there is an RGB light bar that goes around the entire mousepad. Well, pretty much the entire thing. The Razer Firefly is actually a pretty big mousepad. According to Razer's website, it is 14 by 10 inches. Here's my old mousepad compared to the Razer Firefly. Just look at that size difference. And even with all those RGB lights, the Razer Firefly is actually pretty thin. Here's the Firefly next to my old mousepad. Firefly on the right, old one on the left. And like all other Razer products, you'll need Razer Synapse to configure the mousepad. Now the Razer Firefly comes with 5 different lighting effects. The one that I have right now is called Wave. Then there's your classic static effect, and your spectrum cycling, and your breathing effect. And then there's the reactive effect. So basically, you just click your mouse, and the lights just flash. Pretty cool. At the end of the day, the Razer Firefly Cloth Edition really is a great mousepad. I love it, it's beautiful, and I definitely recommend it. There's also a hard version you can also get, but I chose the cloth one as it's more traditional. Now as you can see, my setup is really starting to pop out. Alright guys, thanks for watching, hope you all enjoyed. If you liked this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up to show your support. If you dislike it, you know what to do. And please definitely subscribe and turn notifications on as I'll have more videos in the future. This is KXF, and I'll see y'all next time.